So here we are with Davey Pooches, your first race win and double race win of the year. You go back home with the red plate. How did it all go for you over the weekend?
Yeah, it was awesome. I was riding really good all weekend and I won both motos, and I'm looking forward to Bulgaria.
And tell me about the track out there. How did you find it?
Yeah, the track was really cool, but it was really slippery and a lot of bumps. But yeah, I like it. It was really cool.
You've been working hard over the winter?
Yeah, I worked really hard and trained a lot with Harry Evers, and yeah, it's going really good.
Well, it's really shown here today. Well done. Massive congratulations. We're going to come to second overall this weekend. Michele Barriola. Michele, you had a bit of a struggle in race 2 there. What happened?
Sono partito male nella seconda manche, sono riuscito a recuperare fino all'8º posto e sono riuscito ad arrivare secondo.
Okay, many congratulations. You were good third overall this weekend. Well done first of all. You had a great second race. What made the difference out there today?
Sono partito bene in tutte e due le manche e sono riuscito ad andare sul podio. In prima ho avuto un problema tecnico alle braccia, però sono contento così.
Well done.